morning thoughts. Morning. Can't do no morning thoughts from you, sir. Turn them on. What's one elderly this? I said a thing this morning. I was thinking of doing morning thoughts from right here, but traffic is heavy out here. But I probably can't hear me. Watch, they're gonna be like, we hear you loud and clear. For some reason, I think they can't hear me. They usually be hearing me. You think they can't hear me, babe?
I'm sure they can hear.
Alright. We don't have much to say this morning on Morning Thoughts. We're just out here.
Living our best life.
What Bill said?
Living our best life.
Living our best life. Big up on yourself, SouFLoTV audience. Make sure today you're progressive, productive, and living your best life. Yeah? Alright. Not much more to say today. Stay tuned to the channel. We have a whole bunch of videos coming for you.
You're editing those 4 videos. I'm gonna edit the vlog video.
Yeah, we have like 7 videos, and I'm supposed to be able to go live
in the next 20.
Them said 24 to 48 hours. I was supposed to be able to go live since the 8th, but you know YouTube did it. I'm gonna fight the thing. But big up on yourself, man. I'm gonna keep it safe out here.
Them on them technicalities.
Yeah, YouTube and them technicalities. Want to tell YouTube how not even 5% of our subscribers are seeing notification when videos drop on these things. But anyway, we're not going to talk all that now. Today is actually real Friday. So the people who are Monday to Friday, this is your weekend. Get out there and stay safe. Alright, but enjoy life. Alright, see we are. I could have given you a 360, but we're out. Tell them bye, baby. Stay tuned, man.